everybody, Monty Reed here with Thrive Life, and today I want to talk to you about some of our new products, the freeze-dried to-go meals, and the 2 new Snackies that have just come in. And so I'll just give you a quick overview. The chicken salad is an old standard. Thousands and thousands of people have had this. This includes the Thrive chicken, also the onions and celery, and it has a little bit of chef's choice already added, and it comes with 2 mayonnaise packets. So you just add water to this. You can put cold water in there and stir 5 or 6 times over 20 minutes, then add the mayo. Or you can put in hot water for about 5 minutes. And you're just going to add a 1/4 cup of water to that. And that's your mayo, or your chicken salad to go. And it says, don't forget the mayo. And so that's your freeze-dried chicken salad to go. This is the chicken fajita. Just add hot water. And this is amazing. It has chicken, bell peppers, onions, and fajita seasoning. And it is just ready to eat. Absolutely delicious. You can fold it into a tortilla, eat with tortilla chips, or enjoy straight from the bag. You can also throw it on top of a lettuce wrap, or just toss it into a salad. So that's the chicken fajita. This is the island-style pork. And it includes pork, pineapple, onions, and island seasoning. And then the new Snackies strawberry pina colada. And oh my goodness, it has strawberries. It has, let's just look at the ingredients here. We got coconut bites, and then pineapple and strawberries. Amazing, absolutely delicious. And this is the cashew chew, and it includes cashews, grapes, Greek-style yogurt, and let's see, mango. Oh my goodness, yeah, mango. Look at that, it's amazing. Cashews, grapes, and mango with Greek-style yogurt. These are the new products. They are now available. We ordered a bunch, and Thrive is sold out. We bought the last we ordered is everything they had, and we've got those in stock, and we are ready to start delivering those. Hundreds of customers have been so happy that we got them. And you also should be getting these sent out to you in Party Line mails as well. So check it out when you get a chance. Order some of these. It comes in a 6-pack now, where you get 2 each of the to-go meals. And of course, the Snackies, you can order 1 or 100. Actually, you can order up to 99 at one time. And hope you enjoy it. You're going to love this stuff. This is Monty Reed for Thrive Life. Have a great day.
Keep thriving, my friends.